Imagine, if you will, a world not too different from our own. A world where technology has advanced to such a degree that the once fantastical concept of time travel has become a reality. The idea that we can hop into a machine, press a few buttons, and travel back to a moment in our past is no longer confined to the realms of science fiction. In the heart of this world, a monumental mistake has been made, a colossal blunder, one that has had far-reaching consequences. The scientists, in their quest for knowledge, have accidentally released a powerful and uncontrollable energy source. A source so potent that it threatens to tear apart the very fabric of space and time. Before the time travel intervention, the world was on the brink of an apocalypse. The energy source, once activated, began to wreak havoc. Cities crumbled, landscapes were reshaped, and life as we know it was on the edge of extinction. Chaos reigned supreme, and the world was plunged into a state of despair. Enter our time traveler. Armed with the knowledge of the impending disaster, they journey back in time, intent on righting the wrong. They navigate the intricate web of the past, avoid the pitfalls of altering history, and finally reach the moment of the catastrophic mistake. After the time travel intervention, the world is a stark contrast to the apocalyptic vision it once was. The energy source now contained poses no threat. Cities stand tall, landscapes remain untouched, and life continues to thrive. Peace has replaced chaos, and hope has drowned out despair. But what does this tell us about time travel and its implications? Firstly, it paints a picture of time travel as a tool for rectification, a tool that can be used to correct mistakes and alter the course of history. But it also raises an important question: should we use this tool? Secondly, it highlights the potential dangers of time travel. The butterfly effect, the idea that small changes in the past can have large effects on the future, is a constant threat. Our time traveler had to tread carefully to avoid creating more problems than they solved. Lastly, it emphasizes the idea of responsibility. With the power to change the past comes a great responsibility to use that power wisely. Our time traveler was successful, but their journey was fraught with risks and challenges. So as we stand on the precipice of this brave new world, we must consider the implications of time travel. It offers the potential to right our wrongs, to change our fate, but it also brings with it a host of ethical dilemmas and potential dangers. As we delve further into this uncharted territory, we must tread carefully, for the future, as always, is unwritten. Indeed, the future is unwritten, and it's up to us to pen its course. If you've enjoyed this journey through time and are curious to explore more such fascinating concepts, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to our channel. We cover a variety of topics, from the mysteries of the universe to the depths of the human mind and everything in between. Staying informed has never been more exciting. We believe that knowledge is power, and in our ever-changing world, staying ahead of the curve is essential. Our videos aim to pique your curiosity, broaden your horizons, and challenge your perspectives. So, as we continue to delve into the uncharted territories of science, history, philosophy, and beyond, we invite you to join us on this journey. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.